Bud, emerging hope, bloom, radiant yellow, seed, fragile wishes, flight, new beginnings, like a dandelion in the wind. Watercolor blends our dreams into reality. Sat in a garden, feeling the breeze of the wind, just gazing at a dandelion, looking at the peaceful nature, getting peace outside and inside you. Just gazing it, just the seeds are flying away in the wind, just like that. Our hopes fly in the air and come back to reality. Like dandelion, our life is beautiful in the fleeting moments. Hope you liked the video. For more art tips and tricks, follow Color.